Welcome to Second Baptist Church. This video will prepare you to participate in this year's 2023 Operation Christmas Child Shoebox Packing Party. The first step is to pray. Pray continually for each child, family, and community that will receive your box, and for this opportunity to share God's love and salvation through these simple gifts. Step 2 is to choose a child. Your shoebox can be packed for a girl or a boy in 3 different age groups, 2 to 4, 5 to 9, and 10 to 14. Take a sticker for a child and pack with that age and gender in mind. Step 3 is to pack a box. Begin by gathering one of every item in the center of the fellowship hall. Don't worry about packing neatly, that will come later. Take your time though and find that perfect color or style for each item. Now head to the side rooms. The left room contains girls' items. You'll take just the items for your chosen age group. Or head to the room on the right to pack the remaining items for a boy. Be sure to go to the correctly labeled tables for your age group. Be sure to finish off with a stop at the filler table by the kitchen door and browse for a few extra fun items to include. For step 4, take your box to the far tables. Check your items against the list to make sure everything is included. Then repack snugly. If the box has too much empty room still, grab a few extras from the filler table until the box shimmies but doesn't shake. Be sure to add a letter on top. You can fill out your name and address if you like, but that part's optional. For step 5, head to the check-in table. Your box will be labeled, lid added, secured, and stacked up, ready to begin its journey. The last step is to celebrate, and then go pack another box. Thank you for your year-round support of Operation Christmas Child.